with me to Forest School with my 2-year-old Easter edition. Starting off with an Easter egg hunt. This helps with a child's core development and balance, and also fine motor skills. Next, we did holy painting. This supports the children's knowledge of color, recognition, and independence. Some more painting for them to express their creative side. This is our reading space where we get to learn about nature and our earth. And of course, how could we have Forest School without water play? Learning to dig and find worms. She was so hesitant to come close or touch it. A good try, but not quite there. Yay, accomplished? This is our mud kitchen. We then ended the session by making s'mores around the fire and hugging the tree.